Jose, this was actually for you. If we go into the integrations and we go into the email leads to Sam, every time that you create a email address, it will be listed in here. And what you can do now is you can either click on the email address itself, or you can click on the little pencil, either one, and it will bring you into the email details, the information that will happen if a lead is sent to this email address. What do you want to have happen? And the lead will get put into the database. It'll be assigned a category if you've got one assigned, the type, the status, the milestone, the source, and any tags. It also assigns the new lead date field. It gets filled in for you automatically. But I added this for you, Jose. One of the challenges that you had specified was, well, I want to set up some auto forwarding, and I need to be able to see the
approval link.
The approval link. Well, what you can do now is you can click on this view emails, and it will bring up a list of the emails that got sent to that, and you can click on it and you can see the details of it, either in the text body or in HTML version. And this was just a sample that I was doing. It's not a real person. But by doing this, your approval link will be on here. You could highlight it, copy it, and then respond to it. And then it'll show any of the other, as more leads come in and whatever, you'll be able to see each lead. The other thing about that is if it does import the contact into the database, I go ahead and list out the contact ID, and this actually links to the contact record that was imported. So it'll open up a new tab with that contact record in it and all the information. Again, this is just a bogus one.